Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jelly flan with cornstarch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 4 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of cornstarch to create the perfect texture. Also, prepare 1 cup of granulated sugar and 6 large egg yolks for richness. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to enhance the flavor of your delicious flan. These simple items are the foundation for a truly delightful dessert. Now, let's start preparing the flan base. In a mixing bowl, whisk your 6 egg yolks together with the 1 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes light in color and creamy in texture. In a separate small bowl, dissolve the 1 cup of cornstarch completely in 1/4 cup of cold milk, ensuring no lumps remain. Meanwhile, gently heat the remaining 3 3/4 cups of milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat, but do not boil it. Next, we'll combine our ingredients to create the flan. Slowly temper the egg and sugar mixture by gradually whisking in a small amount of the warm milk. Then, pour this tempered mixture back into the saucepan with the rest of the warm milk and the dissolved cornstarch. Stir constantly over medium heat until the mixture thickens to a pudding-like consistency. Finally, pour the hot flan mixture into your prepared 8-inch mold, ensuring a smooth surface. To finish, allow your flan to cool completely at room temperature before refrigerating it for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight to ensure it sets perfectly. Once thoroughly chilled, carefully invert the flan onto a serving plate. You can garnish it with fresh fruit or a light caramel sauce if desired. It's a truly delightful dessert. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.